In Hysopt, the first calculation step, which is the system check, checks your model for any hydraulic incompatibilities. Is there a pump in every circuit? Are there any pumps in series? Are there any pumps missing? Those kinds of things. Is the circuit closed in order for the calculations to be able to take place? So here we've got a heat pump, a buffer tank. Between a heat pump and a buffer tank, we have a circulation pump. Then after the buffer tank, we have a main distribution pump and then 3 distribution circuits. 1 throttling circuit, 1 active mixing circuit, and 1 passive mixing circuit. By running the system check, we can see that the active mixing, the pump here, will be in series with our main distribution pump, and this is what these error messages are referring to. If we click on the little target, it brings us to that component. A way to fix this particular problem would be to swap out this component. So I'm going to press Ctrl H for a passive mixing circuit. If I redo this check, I will now see that the system is checked correctly and there are no hydraulic incompatibilities.